Hello, Namaskar. You're watching KATV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. The upcoming Kerala Assembly elections 2026 could be a turning point not just for the state, but for the entire left politics in India. For the Communist Party of India Marxists, this election is not just about winning, it's about survival. Kerala is currently the only major state where the left is still in power. In the past, the party had strong governments in states like West Bengal and Tripura. But after losing those states over the years, Kerala has become their last stronghold. If the CPIM loses here, it would mean the left is no longer ruling in any major state in India. Leading the fight is Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. He made history in 2021 by becoming the first Kerala Chief Minister to win a second consecutive term after completing a full 5 years, breaking the state's usual pattern of changing governments every election. Even today, he remains the most powerful face of the left Democratic Front. But this time things are not so easy. There are growing complaints within the party itself. Some senior leaders, including key figures from Kannur, Vijayan's own political base, have openly shown disagreement. This kind of internal resistance was almost unheard of earlier. Critics also say that decision making has become too centralized, leaving little room for opposition or opposing voices. While the government earlier gained praise for handling the COVID-19 crisis and focusing on welfare schemes, its image has taken a hit in recent times. There have been multiple corruption allegations, including issues linked to Sabarimala-related gold controversy. Because of this, the government is now facing strong anti-incumbency after being in power for 10 years. Some voices within the left itself are worried that going for a third straight term might backfire, just like what happened in West Bengal. In West Bengal, the left ruled for over 3 decades but lost power in 2011. Since then, its presence has sharply declined. In recent elections, including Lok Sabha and Assembly polls, the party's vote share has dropped drastically. Even attempts to bring in young leaders did not fully work, and several promising faces eventually left the party. Today, the CPIM is struggling to turn public dissatisfaction against the ruling Mamata Banerjee government into actual votes. Back in Kerala, the situation is tense. The left still has strong roots, but internal issues, public dissatisfaction, and past examples from other states are creating serious challenges. The big question now is, can the CPIM hold on to its last major base, or is this the beginning of a bigger political shift? The 2026 elections will give us that answer. Stay tuned to KATV India for more updates on this crucial political battle.